And before the viral advent of ArtStation, platforms like CG Society were the bane of collaboration, artist artwork showcase, and also where artists go to get news, get informed, join workshops, ask questions, and get inspired. And for those who don't know, CG Society is a community for computer graphics artists that supports artists in every level, offering them a range of services to connect, inform, educate, and promote digital artworks worldwide. And one of the things that they did to actually bring the community even more together is the CG Society CG Awards, which is an annual event that recognizes the best work in the field of computer graphics and digital art. And today, we're getting some sad news from them, as CG Society, just like every good thing, is coming to an end, as they just recently announced an end of an era, CG Society retirement, and what it means. And the letter which they sent out to the community reads as follows: after an incredible journey spanning over 2 decades, it is with mixed emotions that we announce the retirement of CG Society. This decision comes after a long and heartfelt consideration. Throughout the years, we've shared remarkable moments, celebrated countless achievements, and faced a few challenges together. However, it's time for us to bid farewell and close this chapter. Effective January 8, we will be permanently shutting down CG Society, and we want to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has been part of this extraordinary community. From the dedicated moderators and forum leaders to the active participants, vendors, and partners, and of course the visionary founders who brought life into this platform, we owe our heartfelt thank you to all of you. Like all good things, CG Society's journey must come to an end, and before our closure, we encourage you to take this opportunity to download any image, artworks, or contents that hold significance to you. Additionally, if there are conversations and contacts that you wish to retain, please ensure to save them for the record. We deeply appreciate the support, creativity, and camaraderie that you've brought to CG Society throughout its existence. It's been an honor to be part of this vibrant community. As you move forward with your individual journeys, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you once again for being an integral part of CG Society legacy, and with warm regards and sincerity, CG Society team. And to see that CG Society, a platform that has helped a lot of 3D artists get to where they are right now, is shutting down, actually comes with a lot of sadness. And if you have no idea about this platform, then you might just want to come through and check it. This is where every good thing used to live, okay? So the fact that CG Society existed gave lots of artists that sense of belonging and also made them see a reason why to keep creating. And one other cool thing about CG Society, which I haven't seen any platform replicate so much, is this: that if you go ahead and select any artwork whatsoever, so for example, you select an artwork like this, the artwork gets ranked based off categories. So from stylization all the way to presentation, technicalities, you do get that constant reminder of where you have to work on, no matter how good your artwork is. So it is just that sense of community that CG Society has brought to the 3D world that is making it even more sad to see it go. For the forums, there are just lots of things that exist within the forum. So within the forum, you will be able to ask questions and get answers, regardless of the topic, regardless of the 3D software you're working on, regardless whether you're starting, whether you're a professional, or if you just simply need guides. This platform was the platform for everyone. CG Society aren't the only people leaving. The folks at 3D Total also shutting down. So in case you have no idea, 3D Total is a platform that actually deals with showcasing, educating, and also sharing artworks of artists. And sometime in September, they also released a press statement saying that 3D Total is undergoing a refresh. And the whole idea about this is they are moving away from being that platform where artists can showcase things, and they're now becoming a platform where you can just come through and sell stuff. And of course, they're continuing with the 3D Total magazines. Just in case you haven't seen that, this has been something that's been running over time. And what this simply means is they will no longer allow contents within their gallery, and starting from 11th of December, the gallery will no longer be available or accessible. And if you go over to Twitter, you can see some reactions happening. It is really, really heartbreaking to see these platforms go, and lots of people are paying their respect on Twitter. So just in case you like to see this one too, I'm going to link all of this in the description. I think the only place for Refuge right now is ArtStation. ArtStation seems to be the place where you can now get either galleries, blogs, and magazines all in one place. So I did feel like ArtStation was going to take over the responsibility from CG Society, but that doesn't seem to be it, because on ArtStation you don't really get news. The forums here, I don't really think they work as much as I felt they would. We also get to notice that in ArtStation, unlike just having the community section and then having the section where you get to do the sales and have another section where you have to show artworks, you notice that the marketplace just simply, they found a way to just chug in the marketplace when you're trying to view artworks. ArtStation used to be cleaner than this, but right now it looks a bit of a hogwash compared to what you have on CG Society. So this is what you have on ArtStation. Like if you choose to go to any part of ArtStation, there's always something that is being sold to you. And that is literally not the case here in CG Society. CG Society, you go to the gallery section and you're just dealing with artworks, highly rated artworks. They show as bold, and this used to be what ArtStation used to look like. Right now, we have an ArtStation that is a bit more, simplified to the point where you just have artworks, both generative art, real art, and every other kind of art mixed in between alongside sales. And I wish they can clean this up. So this is it. Anyone that wants to grab stuff from here should come through and grab it. I'm sort of saddened by the fact that this is happening, but sometimes companies get to take some decisions and do what they think is best for the company. So tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Peace.